As you may already know, we already reached 50,000 subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to draw a YouTube play button for you, my epic subscriber. And while doing that, I'm going to compare the two epic markers that I have, the POSCA markers and the ARRTX markers. Now let's start designing the play button, and I'm going to draw it in a doodle style like Gox and Vex did in the past. The rough sketch is done. Now let's transfer the sketch to the canvas. But first, let's put some gesso. This will give us a smooth surface to draw on. The canvas is ready. Now it's time to transfer the sketch. So because this is going to be my first YouTube play button, I wanted to make it special by sketching more than 50 characters in one canvas. Just few sketch to the edge, and finally the sketch is done. Now let's unbox these markers that ARRTX company sent to me. The packaging is so cute and simple. And this is my POSCA markers. Now let's start comparing these two markers. ARRTX markers has brush nib, while the POSCA marker has this one hard fine tip. While shaking the ARRTX marker, the brush tip fell off, so it would be better to shake it with cup. Now let's start the paint of the Simptap ARRTX marker. And surprisingly, the paint is thick and vibrant, as you can see here. Now let's activate these markers, and let's see how long it will take for the marker to be activated. For the POSCA marker, it took only 57 seconds, while for ARRTX, it took 4 minutes and 13 seconds, which is a bit tiring to my hand. Now it's time to start coloring. I'll be using red, pink, and yellow as my color combination, and let's see how it's going to look like. When it comes to the paint, ARRTX markers is a lot more juicier, which is really nice compared with POSCA marker. And also the brush tip is really big advantage where you can do thick lines and thin lines with it. It's already 11 PM, so let's go to sleep. Sleep done. Now let's go back to work. how the color and drawing turning out, so let's keep working on it.
I'm gonna prove to your girl I ain't messing around with your heart. You'll be my one love. One love, baby. We're together. United, baby. Under one roof.
And coloring is done. Now let's start the line art. To do this, we need only a black marker and a stable hand. This Simptap Acrylic Marker set is a beast and you should give it a try. The colors are vibrant and the price is very affordable. Lines to go. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and let's make it to 1 million. Finally, our YouTube play button is done. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.